Hello, replay viewers. Here we are enjoying Sunday sewing at the yacht club. Homer got the machine figured out, and it's been working great for the last 30 minutes.
All right, Jonathan, can you get a detail down here?
No, I'm shooting with bad
lighting. What I want to show people here is we got a zipper on the back side. So we've got this special foot in here, which is bumping up. Actually, it's not, but it's pretty close to that. And it's allowing us to get in here because with a regular foot, we wouldn't be able to get down.
Your hairy arm in the lens.
Sorry.
All right, keep going.
All right, I'm going to get my hairy arm.
All right, get your hairy arm out of the lens. This machine is lovely because it has the hand crank.
It's kind of neat. Even though the electricity is working.
This is at least a two-person job. We could have plugged it in, but it goes too fast. You can see how delicate the angle is.
Let this go a little bit. There you go.
The boat dodger keeps the... Homer, what's a boat dodger?
Boat dodger gives you a little shade. It protects you from the waves if it's rough.
It's like a spray hood.
Yeah, that's another name for it.
Hi, Karen. This machine was acting poorly for a long time, but Homer's an expert and he seems to have sorted it out.
Yeah, of course, there you go. See, you can pull that along a little bit. Do a little tension on it. You can make a longer stride.
Can you say off course again?
Off course.
Off course.
Of course. She's headed towards the rhubarb here.
Hi, Sue.
There you go. You're right on it now.
Hi, Jack.
Pushing that a little bit.
This is definitely a two-person job.
Yeah.
And sometimes I'm recruited to push the reverse button.
On track now.
We don't have much farther to go. We're going to end up near the end where the zipper is going to stop us. No one's gotten hijacked. Karen, you just were here. People are still talking about you. So here's the end of the... Yes, Sue. This machine wasn't working for a long time. But Homer did certain things to it, which seems to have put it back in order. I'm not quite sure why, but I'm very happy.
Can I reverse, Jonathan?
Hold on. Wait. Lift up your hairy arm.
Put your hairy arm in there, will you?
1, 2, stop.
All right.
Go around. All right, now stop.
All right.
Okay, are we finished?
Well, we want to do this end.
Okay.
And then I don't know if we want to try this or not. That's a big lift. You know what's nice is it's not fraying this thread at all, Jonathan, which you find at home is notorious. Yeah, bring that up.
I don't know what I'm doing with the old boat.
No,
obviously, it has to go to a new home.
What
I want to do is pull it out.
Yeah.
Flip it.
How are you making out setting the boat like you want? Oh, I'm not making too much progress. It's been too windy for the last 2 days. And then this happened. But I have ordered a few things online.
Oh, we got the thread. The crazy zipper's in the way now. So let's see if we can turn this. We'll do the end.
Here's the whole dodger. If I can back up and not run into something. So it's mostly plastic viewing panels and a little bit of sunbrella. No, Barry, let's see. That joke's been made about 15 times already. Yeah, well, the assistant is Homer's assistant is right here. This is a great place to use this machine because people come by and they're looking for something to do. The noise in the background is a whole passel of children trying to have a meal.
Probably be able to get to about there.
Hold it. Yeah.
This is precision work. You lost your reverse assistant.
I'm not going to worry about it.
He's not going to worry about it.
We're not going to get very far with this anyway.
Oh, you have to make a turn. Wait, you have to keep Bill. You have to. Okay.
Let's call it done. That's down a little bit anyway. Not going to go anywhere right away.
Yes, the bunting is gone. It was clipped off yesterday, and we all were very happy to see the bunting gone. People that don't know what we're talking about, we had all this 4th of July bunting, so you couldn't see through the railings, and now it's been taken away. So now we have our view back. Are you finished?
Well,
You think so? I'm going to end this
More
video.
work to do.
I'm going to end this video. If you're more or less
I
more or less
think
finished.
You can zoom in here. Look at the back side. The stitching's a little soft.
I need
Oh yeah, look at that. See, our tension is not high enough. See how that came out bad? That's not good.
but it's still attached.
Correct. Yeah.
Not too much.
No,
not too well.
that is classic tension too low.
That's very low there.
Yeah. So that's not good. But you know what?
I'm going to redo it.
It'll get the main and back.
Okay. Good enough for now.
Yeah.
And that only happened after you rethreaded it.
This whole panel is not done that way. Yeah, but this is also different than the windows.
Did you meet the guy in the gray shirt? Well, I don't know.
All right, so this guy, he looks pretty good.
Does he look familiar?
I'm Bill. This is pretty good right in here.
Okay.
I mean, it's better than that.
I think what you're seeing that's good is the old thread.